Mastering social media writing in English. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of social media writing. In the digital age, it's essential to understand and communicate effectively through various social media platforms. In this video, we will guide you on how to write impactful social media posts in English. Social media language is often informal, but it varies depending on the platform and audience. You might use more formal language on LinkedIn, for example, compared to Instagram or Twitter. Despite the informality, it's essential to maintain clarity, correct grammar, and spelling. Remember, clear communication is key, no matter the platform. In the realm of social media, you'll come across various terms and acronyms. Here are some commonly used ones. DM, direct message. TLDR, too long, didn't read. In case you missed it, in case you missed it. TBT, Throwback Thursday. RT, retweet. Understanding and using these acronyms can help you blend in with the social media crowd. The hashtag, hash, is a powerful tool in social media. It helps categorize your post and makes it searchable to others interested in the same topic. Here's a tip. Keep your hashtags relevant to your post, and don't overuse them. Emojis add an emotional tone to your posts, making them more engaging and relatable. But remember, not every situation calls for an emoji. Use them when they enhance your message, but avoid them in more serious or professional contexts. The best captions are concise, engaging, and complement your post. They might include a call to action, like, share your thoughts in the comments. Always check your spelling and grammar before posting. While social media is informal, clear and correct communication is still important. That's all for today. We hope this video has been useful in your journey to mastering English social media writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't be afraid to start crafting your own social media posts. Until next time, happy learning and happy posting.